policies of Punjab and Haryana gave an indication that a vent should be in a prefabricated structure, like a tin shed kind of a thing. So we approached them, we said, why not a permanent structure? You demarcate the place because there cannot be any vent unless it has been approved by a DETC concerned. So let the DETC concerned approve a place, a location, which is not visible nor accessible from the highway. You construct a permanent building over there, obtain a CLU, make sanitary arrangements. There has to be a restroom, there has to be a washroom, because everybody does not have an appetite to gulp the entire liquor. People come out vomiting also. People need to urinate also. And they are doing everything on the highways. Rather, it creates a nuisance for the passerby also and creates pollution too. Along with that, we came out with a simple request to the Honorable High Court, which was as to why there should not be a billing on the liquor vent. I purchased a bottle of liquor. I say in sector 8 market, I'm getting it for 120 rupees. I go to sector 26, I get the same bottle for 180 rupees. Same mark, same company. So I say, why should I pay more? Why should not there be a uniformity of the price? The department says no, it's the location which matters. Depending upon the location, the price varies. But then the other problem, it's not only the uniformity of the price, the requirement is also that I'm not drinking spurious liquor even though I'm paying the actual price. Now, if I'm having a spurious liquor and something happens to me, how do I hold the liquor vendor liable? For the simple reason, I have no proof that I purchased this bottle from sector 8 or sector 26. Number 2, whether this bottle was sealed or not, or did I myself put the contents into the bottle to make somebody a scapegoat. But till now, we've not been able to get any decision on this point. Even though we formulated this point in the Honorable Supreme Court also, but the Honorable Supreme Court also has not discussed it as yet in its judgment. And I presume this would be the next step of Arrive Safe for the liquor trade. Now, what happened, if I can turn to the photos, as to how the High Court's order was violated, and it is interesting to see as to how the liquor lobby. So what the vendors were made to understand, कि आप जो national highway है उसकी तरफ दीवार कर लीजिए, so now the liquor vent is not visible. दीवार आपने कर लिया तो आप वहाँ से कुछ सामान भी नहीं खरीद सकते, it is not accessible. What you do, उस दीवार की साइड में से कितना सा छेद कर दीजिए, बाहर प्राइस लिस्ट लगा दीजिए, बंदा आएगा, आपको पैसे देगा, आप उसमें से उसको बॉटल दे दीजिए. Right. Second photo was that's how. Means since there was a ban on the advertisements, so what they do, they place their own people outside the vent on the national state highways with one bottle kept on the national highway. That's all. This is the insignia that there is a vent. Or else there used to be a color coding in Haryana and Punjab. Any yellow color building would be a vent in Haryana, or a green color building in Punjab. The state of Punjab came out with this proposition that, see, there is no advertisement. Number one, the High Court order is not flouted. There is no advertisement. There is no, we have written a bagpiper or a royal stag, nowhere it is written. It's only a colored building. Secondly, it can be a tea stall also. How do you say it is a vent only? Right. Thirdly, because of that wall thing, it's neither accessible from the highway nor visible from the highway. Fortunately, this time the Honorable Acting Chief Justice, who is now the Chief Justice, Justice Vareed Dar, he made this clear by observing, and I quote him, it is one of his interim orders dated 30th of April 2015 in the matter of state of Punjab. The Honorable Judge goes on to say, it was suggested on behalf of the respondent, State of Punjab, that the liquor vents are permissible on national and state highways, even if they are directly accessible from such highways, if there is nothing to suggest that same are liquor vents. Prima facie, this contention is not well founded. Even if we were to accept the clause as suggested by the State of Punjab, it does not contain any such qualification. In other words, if a liquor vent is visible from a national and state highway and there is direct access to it from a national or state highway, it would fall foul of the clause And what is important is that the structure should not be visible. Because state of Punjab, I would say, tried their best to help the liquor lobby by devising an innovative way of mobile liquor vents. Now, what is a mobile liquor vent? The vendors would engage tractors and trolleys, would put a huge DJ in the tractor trolley, would keep all the bottles in the tractor trolley and bring it along 5 o'clock in the evening on a national highway. So people can stop, or it is visible from the highway, right? And it is not even a structure. But the purpose of serving liquor to the maximum possible people means, I am ashamed to say, in a country which is starving for food, people are happy drinking liquor, right? It ends all their daily problems and a new day starts afresh. The vendor is happy, the local public is happy, right? The excise department is more than happy. We receive, but the sales are 4,500. When asked, they say, you go to Ludhiana and there's a big industry over there. What they do, they purchase second-hand bottles of our Martha, put in VAT 69 in it, and seal it. They've got machines. Billing issue, they were also happy, but they say we cannot come out openly. For the simple reason, they cannot be at fronts with the state governments. If they have to remain in business, they have to comply with whatever obligations are. Now, we've been lucky enough to say that during the course of these hearings of all these petitions, we were, I would not say thrown, but we were shifted from one division bench to the other. The division benches comprise of the most important benches and matters in the High Court. There was a new means of the bench to help the society to get rid of liquor vents. All the more, till date, it's been 2.5 years with Arrive Safe. I've never seen a bench who had any grudge against the petitioner saying that he wants publicity. None of them. Rather, all of them tried to bring out some way or the other to hoodwink the violations, to curb the violations, and to serve the society in their judicious manner. One such innovative way was devised by another division bench, which was of appointment of registrar vigilances of the High Court of Haryana and Punjab to go and surprise checks of the liquor vents. They went. On our request, Mr. Sidhu was allowed to accompany them since he was well aware of the location so that they don't have to waste their time locating the liquor vents, because some of them have been camouflaged with green sheets, if you can see on some of the photos. In some of the vents, it's been written a tea stall, but at least it's a liquor vent inside. Some of them it's written sweet shop, but it is a liquor vent inside. It was only a distraction for these people. The state of Punjab and Haryana, they both gave the option to the High Court that our officers can accompany, the excise department people can accompany, but it was supposed to be a surprise check, so the High Court never wanted that the state officials should ever accompany the judicial officers. Let them be independent and let them file an impartial report. Both the judicial officers of high integrity, they filed 3 interim reports mentioning almost about 150 violations of liquor vents of the High Court order on national and state both highways. Now, state highways, the High Court cannot do anything because the states have already obtained a stay from the Honorable Supreme Court. So the state highways cannot be removed. But national highways, in violation of the orders of this High Court, a contempt petition still pending, no interim stay by the Supreme Court, still the vents are there. Now, another innovative way of inviting or attracting people was not to show anything, but in the evening just put some twilights or laddiyan in front of the vent. So everybody would know that yes, this is a vent, we should go and have a drink. The most innovative way of the state departments to get rid of us was, they just wanted us to be out of the court because they knew one thing for sure, that we as a team were a menace to them. They were a menace to the society, and we were creating nuisance to them.